First, there was the showcase last week, then the pre-order started one day early, then people got crazy. Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans and welcome back to my channel. The PlayStation 5 is going to be an incredible device for every gamer. Since the pre-order has opened, thousands of PS5s have already been pre-ordered and Sony cannot keep up. Everything is sold out already. The company apologized on Twitter for the problem and promised the pre-ordering will be available in a few days. If we're meeting for the first time, bienvenue, my name is Celine, I'm a TV journalist and learning about those high-tech devices. It's one of my passions. Now that we know each other, let's get back to the PS5. So, the big retailers cannot take the orders for the moment, but one big platform still can, eBay. Many people who had the chance to pre-order it online before everything was shut down were already selling their PS5 by promising the buyer that they had secured a pre-order and would ship the device immediately after it arrived. That's the nice part. Now, you want to know how much they started selling the PS5? Wanna bet? The official price is $400 or euros for the digital edition and $500 or euros for the PS5. On eBay, they are trying to sell it between 800 and 1,000 euros. One seller's auction, though, had risen to $25,000 after 11 bids and a starting price of $800 last week. Now, let's talk about the release dates. Yes, with an S because it doesn't come out everywhere in the world on the same day. PS5 release date is on the 12th of November in the US, Japan, Canada, Mexico, Australia, New Zealand and South Korea. And on my birthday, the 19th of November in Belgium, France, the UK and the rest of the world. What's the difference between the digital edition at $400 and the PS5 model at $500? The only difference is that the digital edition doesn't have a disc drive. We also now know plenty about the PS5 games lineup too.
You unite, gear up, and fight back. After a season of tyranny that has left crippling scars on the foundation of each faction, Year 4, Season 3, Resistance, tells the story of the rebellious warriors who take a stand to vanquish a common enemy.
There's Final Fantasy XVI, Hogwarts Legacy, a new God of War, one of my favorite games, an expanded and enhanced version of GTA 5 to yet another entry in the Resident Evil franchise, Horizon 2, and a whole lot more. So what are the specs of the PS5? Both consoles have an SSD hard drive of more than 800 gigs for fast loading, a built-in 4K Blu-ray player, that's for the more expensive model. The latest infos are that there will be backward compatibility with titles in the PS4, but not with the PS3, 2 and 1's game library. Will PS5 have VR? Oh yes, the next-gen console will support current PSVR hardware and there are also rumors of PSVR 2. So what do you think about the price? Would you say that $500 or euros for the biggest model is expensive? If you're thinking yes, remember that the Sony PS3 originally went on sale in the US at $600, which at the time was even more expensive than it sounds today. That console did not sell well right away. It sounds like this model will be sold out again in no time. If you're still here, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews, tutorials and tech talks like today. I upload a video every Monday and Thursday. Take care and I will see you next week. À la semaine prochaine. Salut!